Hello traders, welcome to Trading with KS. I'm your host today, KS. So the KLSE has started a little bit of a bull run. Okay, so recently when we talk about this area, right, was the consolidation that determined whether the stock market is going to have a bull run or a bear run. Okay, this area, right? Okay, so what happened now? The price went down, broke down, and went back up. It's a false break, right? I always say when the false break is the price broke out one side of the consolidation, then went back in. So actually, the price broke out from the other side of the other side of the consolidation. So this is a false. This is a false break. Okay, so this is a bull run, right? So the price actually came here, tested the previous support. Okay, this one, the 1620 area, right? 1615 area. I'm sorry, 1615 area. Okay, so the price got rejected, came down, a minor, a minor adjustment or retracement. So the price actually shot up again, and this time it broke the resistance. Okay, this is a very good sign. Okay, this is a very good sign that the price could continue to go up. Okay, if the price can continue to stay above this, okay, 1615 area. Okay, now you see the price actually came down to retest. Okay, this is a retest, right? After the price broke down, you see it came down here. Okay, almost touched the supporting line. Okay, the supporting is not a line, it's an area. Okay, so the price will never stop exactly at a single point, okay, as a single line. Okay, it might go a little bit before, or it can go over, okay, the line, and it comes back. Okay, then therefore that one is a support. Okay, so the price actually came down here, it retraced down. Okay, now it's testing. You see the price really come down and it's testing this area. If the price shoot up, okay, this will be an indication of a continue of a bullish run. Okay, so the resistance could be here, the 1650. The next one is a 1688. Okay, as long as the price can continue to stay above, okay, 1615 area. Okay, we have a good, okay, bull run. Okay, good sentiment. Okay, for you investor to start, load your bullet. Okay, load up your bullet and start to attack the market. Okay, as long as the price don't come down. Okay, beginning, let's talk a little bit about my disclaimer. Okay, this is an education video. Okay, this is not a video, this is not a signal for you to buy and sell the stock market. This is not a call for you to invest. Okay, I am sharing this just for your education, for your study purpose. I'm not a professional advisor, I'm not a professional consultant. Okay, if you want to trade, if you have any question in your investment, in your trading the stock market, please seek your professional consultant or professional advisor. I will not be liable for any losses, okay, occurred from watching my video. Okay, let's go into the let's check our revise a bit our previous analysis. But today my main purpose is we want to, you see the steel, right, has been on a tear, right, lately. Okay, so we have been missing out, okay, on the steel industry. Okay, the steel industry has a very positive rebound. So now we want to take a look at the I picked 4 steel and industry. Okay, Anju, Heptep, LSTEEL, and Steel. Okay, these 4 later we'll dive into these 4, see whether there's any opportunity for us in the coming weeks. Before that, we have to go into the vaccine run, right? Everybody is pumped up on the vaccine run, so we have to talk vaccine, right? If I don't talk vaccine, something is wrong with me, right? Okay, so we go into the vaccine. The vaccine actually got three counters that actually got movement. Okay, got strong movement. Others is quite stagnant, so we don't talk about the stagnant one. Okay, there's nothing much to talk about. And also the logistic. Okay, logistic actually last week. Okay, after the analysis, there is a few very good outcome. Okay, after the analysis, so we'll talk about that. Beginning, let's dive into the assignment. The excitement is the vaccine, right? Let's dive into the vaccine first. Hoa. Hoa is a wow, look at that. What is this? Okay, what this tell us in the candlestick? People are still not ready to accept Hoa Gunting is going to explode, right? You see the price actually went up so high, up to 10.20, 1 ringgit 30 cent, and it dived back down to 88 cent. Of course, it's still a gain, 4.4, right? 4.4, there's a gain on 4.4, so there is still a gain, but you see, it gained so much, it lost so much, right? So what is the sentiment? Okay, the sentiment is people still cannot accept that the price is going to shoot up. So a lot of people, after they gain some money, they throw. Okay, a lot of people, because they are not confident this one will go like BINTAI or solution. So people throw. Okay, after they earn money, they throw, earn money, they throw. So this is not a very strong share yet. You cannot say it's a very strong share. Okay, how a strong share close? How a strong share move? Okay, I really highlighted last time, a strong share move like this. Okay, no tail, right? A burst direct to the top. Okay, this is a strong share. Okay, this is how the strong share move. Okay, a strong share, how it move. Okay, how it move like that. This is confident. People are 90% sure that the price will go up. Okay, everybody pump up, go in to buy. Okay, this one, 100 people buy, 90 people sell. That's the problem. Okay, so you see, it left a very big tail. So if you trade, okay, if you follow my if I follow my advice, okay, if I follow my advice last week, what happened? Okay, the trigger was here, right? 8.75 here. Okay, so what happened when the price go up? Trigger the buy setup. So bought here. Okay, so I would bought here, then the price, I wait for the price came up. Okay, I will wait for the price to close. So the price actually closed, went up to 8.80. So I got 5 cents. Okay, again. Okay, this is the setup. But you still no lose. Okay, you still didn't lose any money. Okay, but your gain has been wiped out in just a single day. Okay, so this one, how to continue to trade? How to continue to trade? This is very, very what you call it? This is tricky, very, very tricky to trade now. Okay, it's tricky because a lot of people are selling here. Why so many people are selling here? They are still not confident. Okay, that Hoa will be a hit. Okay, so let me see. This is a bit tricky. Okay, for you guys. Okay, for me, I really got 50 cent gain, so I will put my stop loss here. I will still keep the stock. Okay, but I will put a stop loss here. Okay, if the price is drop down, means okay, the momentum, this stock is really no momentum. Okay, 0.84. If the price dip below 0.84, I will stop the trade. Okay, if the price still can stay above here, okay, if the price still slowly, you can stay above here, I will still continue to hold this stock until it comes down here. Okay, because there is still a possibility, because now it's a vaccine run, right? Okay, so those companies who possible have a possibility to hold the vaccine, right? Okay, have the possibility to grab the vaccine, still got the possibility to go up. Okay, so I will not rule out Hoa yet, but you have to be careful. Okay, if this type of counter I reset, okay, if it fall, it will fall very fast, so you have to monitor very fast. If your system can put stop loss, okay, automatic stop loss, you would have put a stop loss under the 0.845 area, you put a automatic stop loss. If you don't have a stop loss, you set a trigger, a warning price, right? Okay, all the system allow you to put warning price, so you put a warning price. If the price went below 8.45, you might want to consider to cut loss first. Okay, wait for the price to regroup. Okay, big volume buy, big volume sell. That's the problem. Okay, so opportunity still available. This one you have to hold for a while. Okay, if the price collapse, so let go. Okay. The next one should be BINTAI. Okay, BINTAI is shocking. Also shocked me actually. Hey. Oh yeah, BINTAI here. Sorry. Okay, we talked about here, right? This was the 6867 area. Okay, the kaboom, right? The kaboom, the coin. Okay, the kaboom. Okay, we expect it kaboom here, so it actually went and kaboom here. After kaboom here, it consolidated like a flag, ascending flag. Okay, I said ascending flag normally is a negative sentiment. Okay, the price normally broke down, but because of the vaccine run, right, I also got shocked that the price actually burst up. Okay, this area. Okay, burst up at this area. Actually, when you see the price actually can hold above this area, right, 9.25, right, the previous high, right, is an opportunity to buy again. Okay, the stop loss will be below here. Okay, below 9.25. Actually, this one, if you catch it, okay, that day, you would have an opportunity to buy. But because this is too fast, I also miss out. Okay, I took a nap and the price already burst. Okay, then when I noticed my alert is already too late, so this one I also miss out. Okay, but never mind, I did manage to capture here. Okay, this area, this one, at least we got something. At least I got something. So this one, if you can capture, okay, congratulations. But if you capture this also, you already make quite a lot of profit, right? Okay, so what to see? What do you want to see here? This is okay. What we want to do here? Okay, this is a bit tricky again. Tricky. Okay, whether you want to chase a trade or don't want to chase a trade. Okay, for us, we never want to chase a trade. Okay, it really went there. So wait for a retracement. You see now all is green, right? Green. You cannot buy. Okay, wait for red. Okay, wait for a red. Either comes down to here or comes back down to here. Okay, wait for some red candle. Okay, like this, a red candle. Wait for a retracement. All green. It's too dangerous, because if you buy here, right, if you want to continue to chase here, right, if the red candle start, right, like this, the red candle start, right, okay, people start selling off, right, if people start selling off, you buy here. If people start selling off, come back to here, right, you really lost from 120, go back to 95 cents. Okay, so you really lost quite a lot of money. So preferably not to chase over here. Okay, preferably because this is vaccine now. It's a very volatile, now it's a vaccine run, so anything can happen. Okay, analysis is what we project it to happen, but it might not 100% happen what we analyze. Okay, high probability but not guarantee. Okay, if guarantee, we already millionaire, so it's not guarantee. Okay. Okay, so we want to see some red candle, the red candle, some pullback, okay, up to this area. Okay, a pullback, somewhere to this area. Okay, pull back down to 1060 or somewhere to 925. So between this area 0.925 to 1060, then we want to go for a something like this, go for a buy. Okay, now if we keep on shoot up, then it's too bad. Okay, because the risk is too big. Okay, if you want to take the risk, it's okay. Okay, if you want to take the risk, okay, you can try to take the risk. If you really want to take the risk, okay, you want to buy here. Okay, how to do it? Go to a smaller time frame. Okay, you go to a smaller time frame to analyze how you're gonna do it if you want to buy. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, this is tricky. Okay, wait for a dip around here. Okay, 1.14. Okay, wait for the price to come down to this area, only you buy. Okay, that is a because this is a support area, the previous high, right? Previous high. Here and here. If you want to chase, okay, but preferably don't chase. Okay, 1.14 and 1.18. Okay, between this area, the price come down here. Okay, it bounce up, it comes down here, bounce up. Okay, the price comes down here, then it U-turn up. Okay, then it's a possibility to chase. Okay, but preferably don't chase, preferably wait somewhere here and here. Okay, for a bounce, then only you buy. Okay, go into solution. Okay, solution also like a rocket. Okay, how to deal with this time of rocket? You have to, no choice, you have to wait for a dip. Okay, there's nothing we can do here because already rocket too high. Wait for a dip. A dip means a few red candle or something like this. A few red candle. Okay, possibly. Okay, come back. This is a consolidation area. Okay, come back somewhere to here. 1.425. Okay, 1.105 to 1.425 comes back to this area only. Okay, only you try to buy. Okay, this area. Okay, this one is already too far away to chase. Okay, if you, as I said, you can chase if you want. Okay, but what happens if the price suddenly collapses back to here? Okay, from 1.8, 180 to 80 cents, you lost half your money, right? Almost half your money. So this one, you have to trade on your own discretion. For my advice, don't chase, wait for a drop. Okay, a few red color candle, like something like this, red color candle. Okay, then a bounce up, a reverse up, then only you buy. Okay, somewhere like something like this, then only you buy. Okay, others no movement. Now we go to the logistic. Okay, quickly go to the logistic. Logistic, the first one is CJ. Okay, CJ we talk about here, right? This consolidation area. Okay, if the price actually went up from consolidation area, you can consider to buy. So actually the price did broke up from the consolidation area. Okay, and the price actually reached now the from 0.43 okay to 0.6. Okay, so these are the area. Okay, so this one already what do you want to see now? Okay, here now you want to see this trend line. Okay, so as long as the price continue around above this trend line, you can hold until 0.51. Okay, can hold until this area. Okay, if the price actually break down from here, okay, you might want to close the trade, or if you want to take a bigger risk, you have to wait for this trend line. Okay, whether it bounce from, if it comes down here, you want to see whether it bounce from this trend line. Okay, if it bounce from this trend line, you are safe. If it actually come out from this trend line, it's a stop loss. Okay, if you haven't opened the trade, okay, it's too late to buy now. You have to wait for the price to come back to here, or the price come back to this area for you to buy. Okay, if the price come back to here, you see you got one trend line here. Okay, okay, somewhere at 0.44, the possibility to buy, and somewhere this trend line 0.415. Okay, so the price come back to here. Okay, if it bounce up, then possibility to buy, or the price comes down here. Okay, it bounce up. Okay, this area and this area, possibility to buy. Let's zoom out a bit, have a better view of the chart. Okay, delete all these old setting. Now the price already here. Okay. Okay, so these are the two area. Okay, 0.415 and 0.44. Okay, if you already open the trade, okay, wait for it to go up a bit more, possible to 0.5. Okay, as long as this line is not broken. Okay, as long as this line is not broken. Okay, it's still okay, follow this. So this is your opportunity, okay, to continue to buy. Okay, now you're already in profit for 30-cent profit, right? Okay, not bad. 30-cent profit, I'll take it anytime. Okay, but you still can keep as long as this line, right? This line, you draw the trend line from here, touch all this area, right? Go up. Okay, so as long as it's respecting this trend line, you can keep. Complete. Okay, complete we talk about here, right? Okay, if it comes down, okay, possibility, if it bounce up at 0.655, you can buy. Okay, if the price breaks up from here, you can buy, but the problem, you got this, right? This resistance. Okay, you see now, you see what happened. Okay, we already spoke of this resistance. You see the price, you see went up, hit the resistance and fall down, right? You see that is the power of the chart analysis. You can see what other people cannot see. Okay, you can see it in advance, so you can plan in advance. Okay, what other people cannot see. You see, we already spoken this. Okay, this triangle. So you see the price actually hit, okay, a wall and came back down. Okay, so what's the next thing to do? Okay, next thing to do, If you already open the trade, okay, you look at this trend line. Okay, if it continue, can respect this trend line, you can hold. Okay, this trend line. How to draw? Okay, let me show you how to draw. Okay, from your chart tool, okay, look for the low candle, okay, and you draw a line, touch all the low, okay, all the low, okay, come out the low, come out the low, okay, so this is all the low. So the price continue here, okay, you continue the trade. Okay, if the price actually somehow come, it breaks out, okay, so you might want to take profit, okay, here, okay, if it breaks out. So as long as this line is respected, you can continue to keep until this area possible, 0.845 area. Okay, area you see something like this, a dip, come back down somewhere here, a rejection. A rejection means like this, right? Green color, then red color, start to have many red color, okay? Start to have red, then you means a rejection. Rejection means time to take your profit, okay? Or if you reset a target here, 8.4, reach your target, okay? Don't be greedy, take your money and go, okay? So these two actually went up, okay, got profit. If you follow the trade, okay, follow the setup. So actually this one already profit, this one it came back down. If you take profit over here, this is a resistance, right? So a resistance is always a place for you to take some profit. Okay, if you want to take all, you want to take less risk, when it reach the resistance, you keep some for the, if you think the price still can go up. But this is a big resistance, you can take some profit first in case the price come back down, okay? Or you can and keep some for the price to go up for your long-term target, okay, long-term target here, okay. So this one it hit here, from here 0.7 cents, 70 cents to 7.30, okay, 30 cents, you still got 30 cent profit, but you can still keep as long as this trend line hold, right? So after complete GDEX, okay, GDEX we talked about, we have to wait somewhere here 0.4 area, wait for a bounce, okay, so this one we still have to wait. Alright, so the price is still coming down slowly, you wait for a bounce. A bounce means red candle, then turn to green, okay, turn to green, okay. Not only turn to a, how do you see a bounce? A big green candle, not a small green candle, a big green candle, okay. See, come, big green candle, come, big green candle, okay, this is a bounce, right? Come here, big green candle, right? So this is a bounce, okay. So this one you have to wait for a big green candle to show a bounce up, okay. Or you want to see, you got the moving average, you see the moving average actually goes up, okay, then you got a opportunity to buy. Okay, after GDEX, TN, okay, TN the flyer, okay, TN Tesco is a flyer, high flyer. So TN we talk about this consolidation area, okay, if the price breaks up from consolidation, you can buy. So actually the price really went up, okay. I said if it breaks up, okay, it will at least hit here, okay, 8.4. So it actually reached 8.4. You see it went up, right, and it come back down. You see this is a resistance, right? So after the resistance, the next day it shoot up again, okay. It shoot up again means a very strong support, very strong momentum, okay, on this stock. Okay, this stock, if you are holding it, you want to hold it long term, how to trade it? If you want to hold it long term, how you going to trade it? Okay, how you going to trade? Okay, this is the trend line. For long term, as long as this line, right, hold, right, it never drop out of this line, okay, you can keep. Okay, for short term, this line. Okay, you continue to stay above, you can continue to keep. After it drop out from here, okay, then you sell. Okay, you drop out from here, then you close the trade. Okay, but you want to keep it long term, then it's this. Okay, this is close trade. Okay, for this, it comes out from here. Okay, somehow it went out and come out from here, then it's a close. Okay, this line. Let's see if we can put any price, okay, at the line. Okay, so continue the price. Okay, not it comes back down, right? It doesn't break 8.4. Okay, it doesn't break 8.4. Okay, if 8.4, if it comes down and breaks 8.4, then you have a possibility the price might go down. Okay, if you still want to hold, okay, if it still haven't break this line, then you have to look at $0.75. Okay, 0.75 still cannot hold, then you might have to cut loss. Okay, if 0.75 still cannot hold, then you might want to cut loss. Okay, so if you want to trade, okay, let's say if you already miss out, okay, I really miss out what I want to do. Okay, so you see you start to have green candle, right? Yellow, red candle, right? Means already people selling. Okay, wait for a drop. Okay, then only buy. Okay, wait for a drop somewhere around 0.84 area. Okay, 0.84 area. Wait for a red candle, drop. You see green candle starting. Okay, a U-turn, then you buy the U-turn. Okay. Near term is 0.84. Okay, so this area will provide the support now. Okay, 0.84. Okay, let's go. We talk about here, right? This consolidation. Okay, wait for the price to drop down to this support trend line. Okay, to if you already in the trade, okay, if the price break below 2.62, sell, right? Okay, so you already sold. Okay, if you already buy over here, right, somewhere over here, you already buy somewhere over here, sell. If you haven't buy, okay, wait for the price to come down to this trend line. Okay, come down to this trend line. Okay, somewhere around, okay, 0.25 area. Okay, 0.25 area. Come down here. If it bounce up, okay, then opportunity for you to buy. Okay, if it comes down here, you have to wait. Okay, see which other area that provide the support. Okay, there's one here, and one here. Okay, so these are the place that if the price actually bounce up, okay, you might want to take the opportunity to buy. Okay, these are the area. Okay, 2.13, 2.24, and 2.4. Okay, these are the area possible the price, okay, test, go up, then you might want to buy. When you buy here, stop loss is below 2.4. If you buy at 2.24, stop loss below 2.24. If you buy 2.13, stop loss below 2.13. Okay, but this is this stock actually goes up very fast, comes down also should be quite fast, so you have to be very careful. Okay, fast up, fast down, right? It's like a spring, right? You load it with a lot of tension, pull it very long, so it shorten very fast. So this one, trade with care. And Xinhua, Tesco, we go to Xinhua. Okay, Xinhua, we talk about this area that day, right? We talk about this area, opportunity to buy, right? We talk about this. Okay, the price actually bounced up here. We said this is a good opportunity to buy. So the price actually went up, okay, to 0.47. This is our my preset target, right? So the price actually hit the target from the location that the setup that I mentioned. Okay, the buy setup over here. So you got 0.36 to 0.47. Okay, profit. Okay, hope you guys make some handsome profit. So what to do next? Okay, because it's running at this channel. Okay, because it's running, okay, it's respecting this channel, right? So wait for a bounce on this channel to buy. Okay, a bounce on this channel. So a bounce on this channel will be somewhere here. Okay, 0.4. Okay, 0.41, this area. Okay, will provide the support. Okay, if the price comes back to this area, goes up, okay, buy. If the price comes back to this area, comes out, okay, it's your stop loss. Okay, below the 0.41. Okay, if you buy here, but the price go down some more, then it's your stop loss. Okay, below the 0.41. Okay, let's go into the steel. Steel has been okay, as I said, on a tear. So I missed the tear also actually. Okay, I was so focused on the vaccine run, right, and glove run, right, and the AT run, right, AT run, the gloves run and the vaccine run, right. So miss out a bit on the steel. Okay, so let's talk about the steel. Okay, see whether we still got any steel left for us to pick up. Okay, Andrew. Okay, where is my Andrew? Okay, so whether there's any steel for us. Okay, steel has been running so far away, so the best we can wait for steel, right, is a retracement. Okay, it's a price to drop. Okay, for Andrew, you wait for a price to come down here. Okay, 0.95 area, rebound, possibly to buy, or comes back down to 0.84 area. Okay, rebound, opportunity to buy. Okay, if you buy 0.845, below 0.845 your stop loss. If you buy at 0.95 below 0.95 is our stop loss. Okay, so okay, there's a possibility that price will also stop here. Okay, there is a possibility that price will also stop here. So this one you have to watch out. Okay, this is very sensitive. Okay, 1.020. So there's a possibility that the price will still goes up from here. Okay, the price actually already tested here. Okay, so this could be a consolidation. Okay, let me see carefully. This might work out as a triangle. Okay, you see whether the Monday, right, and Tuesday, whether the price remain like this inside here, the triangle. Okay, if it really create a triangle, right, and the price doesn't come down to this area, okay, this area 0.95 and 0.84, it doesn't come down to this area, it consolidate here, right, then you might want to look for a break. Means the price, okay, comes down to this triangle and break out. Okay, the breakout, then you can set your target at 1.15 or 1.26. Okay, if it continue to break out, if it breaks down, right, okay, then our support area, okay, 1.020, 0.95 and 0.85 is your opportunity to wait for a bounce to buy. Okay, is in play. Okay, our setup here is in play. If this consolidate and burst up, okay, your first target, okay, if it consolidate, becomes smaller candle and it bursts out, First target 1.15 and second target 1.26. Yep, tech. Okay, all this one also already very far up. Wow, look at that. Better than vaccine run, no? Huh? November at 23 cent. Okay, end of November at 41 cent. Okay, 41 cent, almost 100% gain, almost, right? So this is something like a vaccine run, right? This is a steel run. Okay, the real steel, right? This one. So the steel run actually quite rocket like a vaccine run. So what happened now? Okay, so this is a resistance here. Okay, the support trend line is here. Okay, wait for a price to drop back to here. Okay, buy, drop back to here to buy, or drop back to here to buy. Okay, so the price will be the best one. You have the best is the 0.31. Okay, you see the price come down here. Okay, red candle, red candle, red candle come down here, become green candle, start over. Okay, so it's a U-turn. So 0.31 is the best. Okay, got less risk. A higher risk is 0.32. Okay, for the price to buy. And a more risky one is this one. Okay, 0.36. Okay, so these are the possible area that the price might retrace and U-turn up. Okay, might bounce up. Okay, these are the three areas. So you have to see what happened. Okay, it comes down here, the price comes down here, bounce, comes down here, bounce, or come down here, bounce, or come down here, bounce. But it is very unlikely. Okay, this one very unlikely. Okay, so this one and this one is your target, or in between somewhere here. Okay, is your target. Okay, to look for a buy. Okay, and as long as you buy, okay, and this after you buy, this trend line is intact, you can keep the trade. Okay, you can keep the trade open. LSTEEL. Okay, another flyer. Okay, better than vaccine run. November was, wow, what's this? November was 46 cents. Okay, now it's 84 cents. Okay, went up to 84 cents and come back down. Okay, it was better than vaccine run. Okay, vaccine run actually more crazy. But never mind. So now you see the price consolidating. The red color start to appear, right? It's no red, right? The red color start to appear, right? Means a lot of people pushing down already. Okay, so possibility, wait for the price to come down to this area 0.6. So this is a trend line. Okay, wait for the price to come down somewhere here to buy 0.6, or come down to lower 0.55 area to buy. Okay, this is unlikely. Okay, but anywhere in between here is okay. Okay, unlikely to be going to 0.55. I think this is a higher possibility, right? This is higher possibility. Okay, 0.6 this area. Okay, higher possibility for the price to bounce up. Okay, so you have to wait and see. Okay, if we continue, if we consolidate like the, okay, like that, like Heptech. Okay, like that. Okay, like that, like that, like that. Okay, create another triangle. Okay, so you wait for another burst of the triangle to buy. If it comes down, if it bursts down, then wait for the support over here. Here can possibly another support here, 0.65. Okay, 0.65. So another. Okay, you look for a U-turn. Okay, to buy. Okay, so here you wait for a, if you create a triangle, you wait for burst above the triangle. Okay, first target, then your other target, subsequent target going up. Okay, so this is how we want to catch the LSTEEL. Sorry, LSTEEL. So mass steel, vaccine run and steel run. So what else? Petrol run, right? Another one, the petrol run. Maybe next week or maybe in the next video we talk about the petrol run. Okay, the turbocharge of the petrol. Now the petrol has been turbocharged. So also got some good run on the petrol, but that one maybe we talk about it maybe on the next video. So this one also mass steel, MS steel also, Malaysia steel, right? Also on a tear, right? So another consolidation. So the price already start to have rejection. You see all the green, the red start to appear. Okay, means the price already hit a roadblock. Okay, so whether this roadblock can tahan or not, you have to see. Okay, if the roadblock can tahan, the price fall back down, right? The price comes back down. Okay, your support will be here, 0.43. Okay, comes back down, it rebound up, opportunity to buy. If this one doesn't U-turn, you wait for the U-turn over 0.405. Okay, this one, if you offer the U-turn, then opportunity to buy. And how you want to determine to cut loss is this trend line, right? Okay, if you buy here 0.405, okay, cut loss will be below 0.405. If you buy 0.435, cut loss will be 0.435. Okay, so if okay, somehow it happened like that. Okay, another triangle. Okay, so you know what to do. Because this high flyer, right, sometimes you cannot wait for the retracement here. It consolidate, this is a consolidate triangle. It consolidate and it breaks up. Okay, we might miss the trade. Okay, high momentum one, you cannot wait for too big, or sometimes you cannot wait for too big of a retracement. This could be the retracement. This small candle, right, this small red candle could be retracement. Okay, if it doesn't come down, so it doesn't retrace, it's just consolidate, means it's like a runner. Okay, I run, let's say 10 kilometer, right? I don't have the air to run 10 kilometer. I don't have the stamina. So I run. I run until 5 kilometer. Okay, I slow down for a rest. But I didn't. Okay, I didn't move back. Okay, I didn't move backward. I just slow down. Okay, to rest. Okay, slow down here. Then after I catch enough air, boom. Okay, I run again. Okay, where else all this, it comes back down. Okay, it's a runner, 10 kilometers, it comes back down. Okay, it doesn't have enough petrol, it have to come back to refill the petrol or recharge the petrol, then only go up. Okay, this one, it has enough petrol, but it doesn't have enough stamina. Okay, doesn't have enough stamina, so wait for rest for a while and it goes up. So this is the pattern you have to watch. Okay, so this, if it's a resting pattern, so you have to wait for a breakout. Okay, if a retracement pattern going backward, then you have to wait for a U-turn. Okay, so this is how we're going to trade MS steel. Okay, so that's all. Okay, if you guys like my video, okay, you guys like my video and you want me to do more nice video, remember to like my video. Okay, if you guys, okay, hit the more like, okay, only the YouTube, okay, will help me to distribute. Okay, you will think that this is a good quality video. If nobody likes, okay, YouTube will not give a lot of attention to the video. Okay, so the video will go very slow. Okay, I hope all these analysis, right, I hope to help people to make more money. Okay, to do their study. Okay, of course I'm not a professional consultant. Okay, this is to help them to do the study. Okay, once they compare their study, okay, and take my input, maybe they can do a more accurate, okay, setup, okay, for their future trading. Okay, remember, always seek your consultant and your professional advisor. Okay, if you want to get real advice in stock trading. Okay, so okay, stay safe from COVID. Okay, thank you again for watching my video. Remember to hit the like button, share my video to your friends, share it to your friend, and subscribe. Okay, ask your friend to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my future video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.